There, today we're going to learn about how to create an image carousel in Wix. Another term for image carousel is the slideshows that we see on websites. So here I am in the site's dashboard. So you can just go ahead and click on the website that you want to edit. If you want to create a new site, you can do so as well. For now, I will use this website. Once we're on the website dashboard, we can just go ahead, click on design site. Just wait for the website editor to load. And here we are in the Wix website, Wix template website. So we just need to scroll down and see where do we want to put our image carousel. Usually it's on the top of our website. So we can just put it right here beside the header. You can just click on add section. And then we want to click on add element. Now we'll just need to search so that we can filter out the options. You can just type in the search bar for slideshow. And then we can have different options right here. We have box slideshows, we have full width slideshows, and we have pro galleries. So pro galleries is what we will use in this video since it can show our photos and videos at the highest quality. So you can just go ahead and click on it. And here we are on the different types of galleries that Wix has to offer. Since we're focusing on a image carousel, we will need to click on slider galleries. Then here we can see different types of slider galleries that Wix has. Oops, sorry. Click on it again. And then we can just choose from the different types right here. So we can just select the first one, drag and drop it to the website area. And then once we're done, you can change the size of the carousel, then adjust it to your likings. And then once you're done, you can just click on change images. So if you don't want this sample images, we can just click on remove image using the trash can icon for each default image. So if you want to add our image, you can just click on the add images button right here. And then if you want to upload some image files, you can just click on upload media. And then you can click on upload from computer so that you can choose the type of image file that you want. But if you want to, you can just also drag and drop the selected image that you want. And then my selected image just uploaded here on the dashboard. But if you want as well, you can also choose the different images that Wix has to offer. So for example, you want to choose multiple images, since what I'm doing right now is when I'm clicking an image, it just chooses one single image. But if you want to choose multiple images at the same time, you can just click on the shift button on your keyboard. And then once I click on other images, it will now select the other images that I want. Then once we're done, we can just go click on add to gallery. And then of the images that we have selected is now here on the gallery images. So if you want to edit your images further, you can change the title of it, and you can also add a description so that it will display on the slideshow. For example, I have a sample description right here, and then we can see it later. And then once we click on done, you can see that the images have changed. And then if you want to edit it further, you can use some of the features right here. You can just click on settings, and you can choose if you want the slideshow to have navigational arrows, or if you want to have a play button, or if it autoplays on loading. You can also choose how long the image will show the screen, depending on what you want, what option you want to use. So we have a bunch of different settings right here. If you want the image to be fit, or it will be auto cropped to fit the dimension that we like, or that we have chosen for the slideshow. You can also apply transition effects if you want. If you want it to be vertical, horizontal, crossfade, out and in, you can just go with horizontal. You can also choose the duration of the transition effects. One session is, 1 second is usually fine. We'll just keep it at 1 second. And then if you want to view if the slideshow works, you can just click on preview. There we have it. Since I chose on the autoplay option, so every 3 seconds the image changes. And then that is it. I hope you learned how to add an image carousel on your Wix website. Thank you for watching.